The Share Camera feature allows you to share a camera directly to the classroom display in one click. Cameras include a built-in webcam, an external webcam or document camera connected to your device via a USB cable, or a camera connected to the Vivi box. To begin sharing your camera to the classroom display, connect to a room and click Share Camera. The camera will share to the display. Once sharing, a preview of the camera will be shown in the Vivi app. Using the controls on the top right, you can exit full screen, stop sharing, start an on-screen timer, or pause the camera feed. Using the controls on the bottom left, you can enable or disable movie mode and privacy mode. To annotate over a screenshot of the camera feed, select the annotate icon. Use the buttons along the bottom to make any annotations, then select back to return to the live camera feed. To stop sharing a camera, click on the square stop button. If a camera is connected to the Vivi box and your IT administrator has enabled USB pass-through, select the USB icon in the upper right of the Vivi app. Wait for the camera to load, then select Connect next to the camera you would like to use. Allow the camera to connect. Once connected, close the USB pass-through pop-up. This camera can now be used with the Share Camera feature. If multiple cameras are connected to your device, you can choose which camera will be shown on the display. Begin sharing by clicking Share Camera. Once sharing, use the drop-down at the top of your device to choose a different camera.